Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming your PC meets Windows 11 requirements. CPU, TPM2, 0, secure boot, and enough RAM. Next, download the official ISO and make a bootable USB with a tool like Rufus or the Media Creation tool. Once done, restart and enter BIOS/UEFI to set USB as the primary boot device. Make sure to disable fast boot if it prevents entry. This gets you into the installer quickly, so you can start the actual installation steps without delay. You'll see the installer wizard after booting. Choose language and press Install Now. If you have a product key, enter it, otherwise skip and activate later. For existing systems, choose Custom Install to manage partitions. Create an OS partition and preserve EFI and recovery partitions when possible. Once the files copy and the system reboots, you'll walk through region, keyboard, and connection prompts. Make decisions about using a Microsoft account versus a local account. These choices shape updates, OneDrive, and device syncing. You finish by installing drivers and running Windows Update to get the latest patches and firmware. Prioritize chipset and graphics drivers to avoid stability issues. Then enable file history or a full backup, set a restore point, and personalize start, taskbar, and privacy settings to fit your workflow. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Recheck BIOS/UEFI settings, verify the USB media integrity, rerun the Media Creation tool, or boot into safe mode to remove problematic drivers. These steps often resolve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.